This is Timeline Radio Sports. Uyena MQ okhulumayo lana ngihamba noProt. Kuhamba kanjani buka baba?
Ngihamba kahle bhuti, ngihamba kanjani ngako?
Ya isancenga nathi isancenga. Ngiyabona ukuthi umdlalo namhlanje ubumnandi kakhulu.
Yeah, very interesting game lapha, interesting kakhulu lo mdlalo.
Yeah. Lapho khona ukuthi iOrlando Pirates ibibhekane kwayo yona lapha eCape Town City.
Yeah.
Yeah, how was the game first half?
Cape Town City, let's take it there Cape Town City. Must check lapha Cape Town City beyibambile game. First half defensive, they were nice. They were too nice. Second half bashintsha, they lost it second half because they were too defensive kahle yabo. They went too defensive. Pirates capitalized on that.
So ngokuya kwakho mfethu njengoba ukuthi igame besibukile lapha yana the approach the challenging approach from the coach okuyena lapha yana coach omkhulu kakhulu lapha esimthandayo kakhulu eNingizimu Afrika oyena lapha ya ucoach lapha eCape Town City. How was the approach from the coach first half?
Yeah, i-coach ibambile umshini ethugal i-defensive yakhe bey right, but ama player mentally abazange bayibambe grand game second half because they went too defensive. Into abayenza ukuthi balose igame because you can't defend unga-attack yabona.
Yeah, because after ukuthi bakore goal everything ibe casually ba relax kana.
Yeah, because the first goal abayikorile Pirates mayikore first goal ila sebathuka khona bebashiye i-defense bese ishake lapho yabo izinto bese shintshile. First half bebayibembe kamnandi, second half bashintshile bashake.
But siyazi ukuthi lezi ezimnyameza kaMagebhula uma dlalela lapha esigodini ba dangerous kakhulu. So ngibone nje nama changes nyana from the coach second half ngikhuluma ngaye lapha uJose Rizwe weOrlando Pirates. How do you think ukuthi naye uapproach second half kanjani? Because I believe ukuthi first half Orlando Pirates they were playing very fair football.
Yeah, Mawucheck Pirates first half bengekho.
Yeah.
First half bengekho cause first half besine Cape Town City beyibambile first half. Second half he made two changes engiwathande kakhulu. I-change makafaka uNkotha.
Yeah.
Ufaka uNkotha nomsele. uNkotha changed the game. Umuntu oshintsha igame lapha ku Pirates.
The intensity game nayo yashintsha kakhulu ne?
Yeah, ishintshe kakhulu.
So njengoba ukuthi sibone ukuthi ugcine sekafaka lapha yana whereby uTito Maswangayi kuye umdlalo ukuthi ugcine sekalimala ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba sisho ukuthi first half Pirates bedlala nje fair football. Ngicabanga it was because of ukuthi uTito uye bekabayenza adlale. I respect uTito kakhulu, but ngicabanga ukuthi uye bekabayenza ukuthi badlale ibhola ukuthi flat, but then adding lama player lawo ukuthi usho nawo ukuthi uthandile amasapha khona intensity ye game isuke yaba phezulu kakhulu. So you believe ukuthi le approach le be right from the coach?
Mawucheck uTito first half I'm not sure njengoba uthi beka khona egamini. I'm not sure ukuthi beka khona. Angimbonanga mina same as u captain ama 2000. Yeah, namhlanje bengekho. But uthe ukuvuka mangena uNkotha nomsele.
So ngitsheleke njengoba ukuthi we know very well ukuthi Orlando Pirates yona ma league chase lapha yana ukuthi be bet premiership yiwabantu ukuthi ba chase ileague. So ngitshele ukuthi njengoba ukuthi the two yibo phela ukuthi bazi ukwenza ukuthi Orlando Pirates ikwazi ukudlala. So the two uma ukuthi ayikho egamini, what will you do when as a coach uma ukuthi boyena lapho uJose?
The two usho ubani nobani bhuti?
Captain ama 2000 no Tito Masangayi. Yeah, uma ukuthi the two le ayikwazi ukudlala yini ukuthi ungasinika yona as a coach? Let's say mhlambe njengoba ba chase league bayalimala. Yeah, wena ama changes obungawenza ma?
Ama changes we Pirates ibench ye-Pirates ayikho mnandi kakhulu ibench ye-Pirates because i-Pirates mawufake i-first 11 i-first 11 iyo vele mnandi yabo. I-first 11 if you have captain ama 2000 igama nginika igama manje yabona manje umfukeni mangene yena vele kuyaziwa ukuthi hayi i-Pirates izo attack, but ngotito utito is a game changer naye ngendlela yakhe yabo. Yeah, he's an entertainer futhi utito yabona. Yeah, amafana amthandela leyo nto leyo ukuthi he's an entertainer. Coming to credit to Darren Kidd. Darren Kidd made a brilliant save first half. Pirates bekumele ikorile lapha first half, he made a brilliant save lapha uDarren Kidd. Na second half futhi waphinda washama ama save a crucial kakhulu.
Ne
credit to Darren Kidd.
Yeah, ikhona nje kweqinisweni udlalile kakhulu. What can you say about the counter attack ukuthi igcine iyenzeka jersey number 21 okuyena lapha yana manje ngingaphosisi unyama umfokanyama le ogcoka number 21 ngelast minute goal le ukuthi bekumele nje ukwazile ukuyikora makumele nje ukwazi ukushaya i-cutback lapha.
Yeah, unyama lapha ube selfish kakhulu. Bekumele nje ushaya cutback simple. They might have scored lapha igoal. Wakhetha ukushayela yabona. Hayi, uyilahlile lapha bekumele nje ulifakile eboxini. Maybe they could have got something there.
Hayi ngezwakala mfowami hayi because ngoba nayi Pirates phela njengoba ngisho ukuthi yibo abantu ukuthi bagijimise yona i-league bethu i-Premiership League Soccer League so njengoba ukuthi kuyimanje banama game in hand.
Yeah,
Sundowns ina 12 points ukuthi bahamba ngayo phambili namhlanje they grabbed i3 point basalele. What can you say wena if ubujezo ucoach weOrlando Pirates emajiteni ukuthi bafethu what motivation bonganika amajita ngalama game lawo ukuthi fuze ke iPirates ukuthi iyenze make sure ukuthi igrabba le 3 point leyo ifaka nje ekhaya.
Yeah, yabona masekunje every game is important yabo. They have to take every game serious because manje sekushube kakhulu. They have to go for a kill because you can see Sundowns yamosha. Sundowns yamosha i3 point nje into zabo yabona. So the Pirates if they gonna lose maybe one game basel.
I mean speaking of Sundowns njengoba kumanje nje siyazi ukuthi idlala yona. I mean it's playing a very difficult game. In the last siyazi ukuthi baluzile asazi ukuthi kuzenzakala nasazi njengoba yithi iTimeline Radio Sports ungasilandelela lapha ku YouTube on our YouTube channel sicela nje ni subscribe kakhulu.